Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and we're going to make another Christmas card. And this one's actually going to be kind of easy because I've already done a lot of the die cutting. Well, all of the die cutting, I think. We just need to put the card together. Let's just start there. So if you guys have been with me for a little bit, I am making a card a week until December. And I make A2 size cards, so that means I take an 8.5 by 11, cut it in half at 5.5. And then I score it at 4 1/4. This makes an A2 size card, which fits into an A2 size envelope and takes one stamp to mail, and it's pretty easy that way. I'm just going to use my bone folder to burnish this edge. And then I need to decide how I want. So I found this in my stash. I've already used this on one of my cards already, but I thought it would be cute on here. And I might even want to do the card this way. And I cut out an Igloo and I die cut it because I needed to see how it worked. And I liked it on white paper, but I thought, you know what, I really want to do it on sparkly paper. So I did, and I'm still not a huge fan. I don't know if I like the white or the glittery paper better, but I can't waste the glittery paper. It is pretty. And it also has an ice like patch with it. And then it had 2 fish. So I cut one out in green and one out in blue. And then I also used the penguins and the Have a Cool Holiday from the Say What Christmas Critters from Lawn Fawn. So I just used the penguin and that. And I did 2 of the sentiments just because I was on a roll, so I just did 2. There wasn't any particular reason. I think I am going to go this way with the card, and I think then I'm going to cut this at 5.5, and I'm thinking that I will cut the bottom so it kind of looks like it's at a hill or something, so that it'll go like this, but it won't be a straight line. I'm just gonna maybe do something like that, and I could use a die cut for that, but I think I can freehand it. Let's see how that looks. I actually want more, so I think yeah, I kind of like that. I think that looks decent. It looks like that's the ground and this is the sky and the snow is fallen. So I'm going to go ahead and glue this down where I want it. And I'm going to put glue on here. Whoops. And on my workspace, why not? And then I'm also going to put glue on the bottom part of this because I know that I want this stuck down, but I don't want the top stuck down. So hopefully that will get both. So then I'm going to place this where I think I want it. Like that. And then I should be able to cut this off. And now I'm just thinking, I wonder if I have glue. Oh, I do. So that worked. Oh, I'll leave this out because I know I want to put my... See, it does have embossing on it. You can kind of see it on the back there. Well, you could before I glued it all up. But I'm not going to use the glue or the... you can't... What am I talking about? You can't see the glitter. You can't see the little blocks of ice because of the glitter. Good grief. Spit it out. And this is supposed to be like a little ice pad. I don't know, I might just put it over here and let it be whatever it is. And I think I'll put a penguin on it, and then I'll put a penguin by the igloo because I did cut out 2. Maybe that will look like there's an a hole in the ice. I don't know. And let's do this guy. So I just colored these guys with alcohol markers, and I put a little bit of stickles on the top for the little ball of his hat. Sometimes the glitter is hard to have anything stick to it. And just because this is called glitter glue, it does not have glitter in it. If you guys have seen me use it before, you know it just dries quickly and dries transparently, and it's kind of cool. Maybe I'll stick one of these little fish in here. Like he's kind of jumping. I don't know. This is going to be a cute card, but it's not going to be one of my most well thought out ones for sure. I mean, it's cute. I think I'm going to put some, let's see, some something down here. I might even use blue highlighter because it's light. Yeah, I think I'm done. I mean, that's pretty simple. Very easy. This is a very quick card. There's lots more technique in some of the other cards, but you know, sometimes you just need a simple card. And it's really cute. I need to stop looking at it as being so simple because it is a cute card. I would be happy if I received this. I love the glitter, so yeah, just because it was super easy doesn't mean it's not worth it. So yeah, there we go. So thanks for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.